Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this lecture, I am solving problem 5.89 from the book Fundamental of Thermodynamics by BORGNAKKE. So the statement of the problem is an engine shown in figure 5.89. This is the engine. Consists of 100 kg cast iron. So in given data, mass of cast iron block is denoted by M1 is equal to 100 kilogram with a 20 kilogram aluminum head. So mass of aluminum is denoted by M2, which is equal to 20 kilogram, and 20 kilogram of steel parts. So mass of steel parts M3 is equal to 20 kilogram, and 5 kilogram of engine oil. Mass of engine oil M4 is equal to 5 kilogram, and 6 kilogram of glycerine antifreeze. Mass of glycerine antifreeze is denoted by M4, which is equal to M5, which is equal to 6 kilogram. All initial temperature are 50 degrees. Initial temperature for all is 5 degrees centigrade. Convert this into Kelvin, which is equal to 5 plus 273 Kelvin, which is equal to 278 Kelvin. Initial temperature for all is 278 Kelvin. And as the engine starts, we want to know how hard it become if it absorbed a net of 7000 kilojoule. Net heat absorbed is 7000 kilojoule. So how hard the engine? Mean find T2. Required is 2.0 T2 before it reach a steady uniform temperature. Now here are some constant values which we will use for in this equation in this problem. So specific heat for cast iron, C for cast iron, let we denote it by C1, which is equal to 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. C for aluminum is denoted by C2, which is equal to 0.90 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Similarly, C for steel is C3 is equal to 0.49 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and C for engine oil is denoted by C4, which is equal to 2 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin, and C for glycerine antifreeze is denoted by C5, which is equal to 2.4 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Now C is constant values, M is given to us, and Q is given to us, and T1 is given, and T2 is required. So as we know that Q is equal to MC del T, or we can write this equation as there are 5 masses and 5 C. So we can write this as Mi Ci, and del T is T2 minus T1. So first we find summation of MICI. So first we find summation of MICI. So summation of MICI is equal to M1C1 plus M2C2 plus M3C3 plus M4C4 plus M5 plus M5C5. So summation of MICI is equal to M1C1. So M1 is mass of cast iron, and C1 is specific heat capacity of cast iron. So M1 is equal to 100 kg, and this is 0.46. M1 is 100 kg and C1 is 0.46 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. Similarly, M2 is mass of aluminum, which is 20 kilogram, and C per aluminum is 0.90 kilojoule per kg. Similarly, mass of steel parts is 20 kilogram multiplied by C per steel is 0.49 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin plus mass per engine oil is 5 kilogram multiplied by C per engine oil is 2 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin plus mass of glycerine antifreeze is 6 kilogram and C is 2.4 kilojoule per kilogram per Kelvin. So kilogram will be cancelled with kilogram. So unit will be kilojoule per kg. Now summation of MICI is equal to 100 multiplied by 0.46 is equal 0.46 is 46 kilojoule per Kelvin plus 20 multiplied by 0.90 is equal to 18 kilojoule per Kelvin. Similarly, 20 multiplied by 0.49 is 9.8 kilojoule per Kelvin plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10 kilojoule per Kelvin plus 6 multiplied by 2.4 is 14.4 kilojoule per Kelvin. So now add all these values, which is equal to 98.2 kilojoule per Kelvin. Now we know that Q is equal to MICI, summation of MICI T2 minus T1. So we have to find T2, so rearrange this equation. T2 minus T1 is equal to Q divided by summation of MICI, or we can write this as T2 is equal to T1 plus Q divided by summation of MI into Ci. So T2 is equal to T1 is 278 Kelvin plus Q is given to us as 7000 kilojoule, and summation of MICI is 98.2 kilojoule per Kelvin. So this kilojoule will be cancelled with kilojoule. So T2 is equal to 278 Kelvin plus 7000 divided by 98.2 is equal to 71.28, and this Kelvin is in double division. So this is T2 is equal to 278 plus 71.28 is equal to 349.28 349.28 Kelvin, and convert this into degree centigrade. So T2 is equal to 349.28 minus 273 degree centigrade. So T2 is equal to 76.28 degree centigrade, and this is the final answer. And for more problems, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends. Thank you.